Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to make a vlog about Earth and Science and Physics.
But before we proceed, let's have first see a first before we make the instructional materials for physics and Earth and Science.
From one area to another due to temperature. We have our method of
IMs or visual aids help students learn by showing pictures, charts, or models that make lessons easier to understand. They help students see what the teacher is talking about, keep their attention, and make learning more fun. For example, a picture of the sun, moon, and stars can help students learn about natural objects in the sky more clearly.
This design for the visual aid of the natural objects in the sky is to help or to show the clear contrast between day and night. This helps the students understand time-based visibility of natural objects. And the objects included are the sun, clouds. The sun and clouds represent daytime, and the moon, stars, and earth represent nighttime sky. And the cotton clouds adds texture and engage tactile learners. And the bright, large labels, this makes the title easily readable and eye-catching. Helps students recognize what can be seen in the sky and different lights.
For the heat transfer, we came up this design with bright orange background. The color scheme suggests heat, fire, and energy, aligning with the topic and also emphasize the importance to grab the attention and symbolic of heat sources.